Explain why the applicant wishes to study this course in Australia with this education provider. This must also explain their understanding of the requirements of the intended course and studying and living in Australia. You will notice within the main question, there are sub-questions, so you must read the question carefully. Read repeatedly for increased clarity to prepare your answer. If you closely divide the Q2 into sub-questions, you will notice that. Explain why the applicant wishes to study a particular course in Australia. Explain why the applicant wishes to study this course with a particular education provider in Australia, and not with another education provider in Australia. Explain understanding of the requirements of the intended course, and explain studying and living in Australia. Take the example if you wish to study a degree in chemical engineering in Australia. While answering Q2 for a degree course in chemical engineering in Australia, you must answer that you have completed Year 12 with a science stream in which English, maths and physics you studied compulsory subjects. And in addition, if you have studied chemistry, biology and computer science, you must highlight. If you scored 80%, you must mention preferred age 18, 20, but if you are above this age group, you must explain the gap in study with reasons. There are 42 universities all over Australia, and if you select the University of Technology, Sydney, for a degree course, you must research about this university and provide an answer as to why this university is selected by you. Also, explain why the chemical engineering course is selected by you. Describe career choice, reputation of the institute, tuition fees and sports facility. Describe why you selected Australia to study and not the USA, UK or Canada. What is unique about Australia? Climate, public transport, lower living costs than other countries, safety during day and night, sports and library facilities. Answering in 150 words would be challenging. Lot of research and command over the English language will be required. BMS Global has experience, expertise and services offered are at a very reasonable price.